So, try natin guys yung ano rito. Yung ice cream nila rito. Dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. No? Anong pangalan nito? Pangalan nito? Ito. Gelato Timothy's Bar. Yan. You like it? You like it?
Cheers.
Masarap naman. Medyo maasim-asim na matamis.
Heaven when everybody. Can you in heaven when everybody?
Oh, souvenir naman to. Oh, try natin mag-ice cream dito. Ayun, oh. Ice cream? Wow.
You sell ice cream
Nice.
or just yogurt?
Sorry?
You sell ice cream or just yogurt?
Well, this is gelato here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we have a sign here explaining the difference between ice cream and gelato. Gelato
Gelato.
denser.
Sorry?
Ah, this is the temp. No.
You want something? Which one do you want?
Oh, just only the small one.
Small ice
Yeah.
cream? With
Yeah.
what flavor?
Oh,
They have mango here. That's from the Philippines.
sorry. What is your bestseller ice
Our
cream?
best seller is probably white chocolate raspberry. This one.
Oh, yeah. I'll have that, please.
Yeah, what size would you like?
Well, I see a double here. You want a double?
No, only single for me.
Just a single?
Yeah,
My
single.
little, my
Yeah.
little brother will have a single. I'll have a double. Because I'm a real man and he's just a
Make sure you
little.
on second. I see it all this in there.
Oh, okay.
So good.
So, try natin guys yung ano rito. Yung ice cream nila rito. Dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. No? Anong pangalan nito? Pangalan nito? Ito. Gelato Timothy's Bar. Yan. So, dito lang yan guys sa ano. Sa
White chocolate raspberry.
Richmond. No? So, nag-request tayo ng ano, ng bestseller nila. So, titikman natin kung talagang pasado sa atin. Grabe, no?
White chocolate raspberry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you want
same,
to
same,
take
same,
same.
So, thank you.
I know.
Thank you,
I'll
Dog.
get you a spoon. I'll take two.
Thank you. Ngayon, titikman natin guys yung ano nila. Ice cream. Ayan. Hey!
One flavor.
So this small spoon for real man.
Is a bestseller, ah? Mr. Bestseller. Mm. Is allowed here?
Oops. Wow. Somebody else's business maybe. I don't know.
Tikman natin ngayon, ha? It's good, ah?
Very good.
Yeah. What flavor is this? Cranberry?
No, it's raspberry.
Raspberry, ah? How was it? It's good? Hmm? You like it? You like it?
Cheers.
Masarap naman. Medyo maasim-asim na matamis. Pero try yung bestseller nila. Tikman natin. Medyo may kamahalan lang ng konti. Kasi itong ganito kaliit, ano na to? $4 na. Ano lang, 1 scoop.
So we either get a nice coffee now.
Pero pwede na, masarap naman.